Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how you can enable voice chat in Roblox on your PlayStation 5. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. Well, to be honest with you, enabling voice chat in Roblox on your PlayStation 5 is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open Roblox on your PlayStation 5. You'll see the homepage with sections like Home, Avatar, Connect and Search. Now what you need to do is click on More to find settings. Go to the settings, but you won't find a voice chat option there. Instead, what you need to do is adjust your PlayStation settings. Now what you need to do is go to your PlayStation home screen, move to the right and find settings. In settings, you need to click on sound. Here you'll see options like microphone, audio output and 3D audio. What you need to do is click on microphone. Choose your input device. If you have a headset, select it. If you want to use your controller's microphone, then what you need to do is select microphone on controller. Then what you need to do is reopen Roblox. However, just make sure that your controller mic is not muted. And that's pretty much all about how you can enable voice chat in Roblox on your PlayStation 5. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.